Okay, picture this. You have just downloaded the Trading 212 app because you've seen it advertised everywhere, your friends have it, and everyone just raves on about it. But you're so new to it that you are pretty confused. This is the video for you, and without further ado, let's go through all the basics. So when you open an account, most likely you have the Trading 212 Invest account, as you can see on the top left corner. However, if you press on it, you can change this account type to the Stocks ISA. This is the Stocks and Shares ISA, where you can deposit up to £20,000 per tax year in the UK. And no matter how large your portfolio grows, whether it's 6 figures, 7 figures, or 8 figures, the gain remains tax-free, which is a great way to save up for retirement or a boost to your already existing pension. When you start an account, you will have nothing in your account, so the first thing you want to do is to deposit money here. Now, all you're going to have to do is to find the deposit button, press it, and then link your bank account and then decide how much you want to deposit. You can start off with as little as £1. Now, once your money is added, you can then go ahead and start buying some investments. When you do buy them, they will populate right at the bottom here. There are a few ways in which you can start buying some investments. So you can actually, on your home screen, go and press Explore Instruments. When you press it, the search menu comes up. But if I go back, you can also open this by going right at the bottom of the screen with the magnifying glass and pressing that. And as you can see, that is the same screen. Now over here, you will see a lot of stocks. And of course, when buying stocks or any sort of investment, your capital is at risk. The value of your portfolio can go down or up. And that is why it is important that you pick investments that you are happy with and think in the future that they may go up, because if they go up in value, you can sell them and make a profit. Or if you keep it for the long term, they will grow in value. And the idea is the more shares you rack up of a specific fund or stock, the more you have in the future, and you can start selling them off to live your life. Now, if you're new to this platform, Trading 212 has a welcome offer for you where you can get a free fractional share worth up to £100. Now, all you have to do is to follow the link in the description box down below. Or you can scan this QR code appearing on your screen right now. Alternatively, if you've already signed up to Trading 212 over the past 10 days but have not received your free fractional share, then all you have to do is to press the 3 horizontal line at the bottom of the screen. Then scroll all the way down until you see the section Use Promo Code. And in this section, just enter the code JUBAIR and you should receive a free fractional share. Now, going back to picking your investments, this is the most difficult bit because there are going to be people who say, for example, Nvidia is the best investment, Microsoft, Apple, whatever it is. But the thing is, when buying any company, there is a risk that the company could become bankrupt, the company could potentially get into financial troubles, or whatever negative event may occur that could cause the value of the stock to go down. Now, a lot of these companies are doing well right now, but as you can see, there have been time periods where they have lost their value. Now, if the company goes down in value and you sell, you essentially have made a loss. Now, if you don't sell, you make a paper loss sometimes, and that's fine because if it recovers, then, you haven't lost anything. But like I said, companies can go down for extended periods of time. And like I said, if it has gone down and you sell it, then yes, you've realized that loss and nothing you can do will get that money back. There's another popular option when it comes to investing. And instead of investing into just companies, you can invest into something called an exchange traded fund or an ETF. Now, they are all very, very different. They're not the same. For example, this one here, the Vanguard S&P 500, invests in the top 500-ish companies of the USA. So yeah, instead of buying 1 or 2 companies, you're investing into a bunch of them. So if some go down, you won't completely lose everything. And if, most of them go up, which tends to happen, not always, remember, then that is a good way to build long-term wealth. The more shares you have of a specific fund, the more they should be worth in the future. Now, that is the absolute basics that you need to know for Trading 212. But what a lot of people don't talk about is when it's time to finish. How do you take your money out? So all you have to do is to press the 3 horizontal line menu at the bottom of the screen. And then there's a section called Manage Funds. And over here, you just press the withdraw button and then you select how much you want to withdraw, but you can only withdraw cash. So you have to actually sell out of your investments, have it in cash, wait for that cash to settle before you can actually put it back into your bank. If this video has helped you, a like and a follow will be very nice. And make sure to check out some of my other videos and I'll see you in the next video.